Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 23rd, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9144. Before I start, I always count printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. And we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Another line, one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then I'm stuck. Well. Come on. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 3. Come on. Double O, here 1, there 1, overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. In 3 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.